You didn't open this iPhone app. So why is it still active? If you want to know, then we are talking about how iOS itself runs certain apps in the background. Even if you've never tapped on them, the app is like, for example, Apple TV. A lot of people don't have a subscription, don't use it, or it came pre installed on the phone and they've never opened it. But the surprise, that doesn't mean it's inactive. First, background refresh. From settings, just open up your settings and then go with the home page, scroll down and go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down and then go with background app refresh. Search the apps and you'll find the Apple TV enabled. In my case, I've already turned it off, but if you've not, then you just need to simply go with your background app refresh, and then you need to find Apple TV and turn off the background app refresh for your Apple TV. If it is turned on, that means the app can update content, prepare recommendations, or perform light background downloads. All of that without opening it and without you noticing. So turn it off. Second is data usage from settings. So go with settings and then you need to go with cellular or mobile. And here you will have cellular data option or go with cellular data usage. Search the apps and you'll find Apple TV enabled. That means the app can connect to servers even if there's no subscription and even if you've never used it. This happens automatically as part of the iOS system itself. So turn it off. And finally, there's another setting called live activities. You can access it from your settings. So go with settings, scroll all the way down, tap on apps. Now you need to scroll down and then go with Apple TV. Once you find, tap on it. Now here you will find an option of live activities and you will find two options. Allow live activities and more frequent update. This allows Apple TV to show information on your lock screen even if you're not using the application. If you don't need it, just simply go and turn it off. In the end, you can open up your Apple TV and check if it was enabled on your device or not. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.